Well, hello there. Just wanted to have a quick look at the Victorinox Tourist today. This is an 84mm Swiss Army knife that was discontinued in, I think, 2024. Correct me if I'm wrong. And it is becoming really noticeable that all the 84mm models in the red Solidor scales are now discontinued, apart from the excellent Sportsman. But this was a really nice and useful little model. This one's pristine. I bought it when I found out that they were discontinuing this model, and it's just kept in a box. And it is basically just a slightly smaller Spartan. Spartan on the left here, 91mm format, Tourist 84mm long. Same width and everything as this Spartan, just a 2-layer knife. Same basic tool set, some of the tools just ever so slightly smaller. So you get the main blade on the Tourist, just a few millimeters smaller than the 91mm main blade. And you also get this secondary small blade. Is that the same as a secondary small blade on the Spartan? Yeah, I think the secondary small blade looks to be the same size as on the 91mm knives. Then you get the cap lifter tool with this nice slotted screwdriver end. Makes it a decent light duty pry tool as well. And again, it's slightly smaller than on the 91mm knives. Can opener, is that just ever so slightly smaller than on the Spartan? Yeah, I think it is. Possibly a tiny bit thinner as well, so just marginally smaller. Works the same way as any of the Victorinox can openers that look like this, and with the little screwdriver tip, which works dead well on a range of Phillips screws. Then on the back you've got the corkscrew and the awl, and a little pin slot there for a steel pin, and of course toothpick and the little tweezers. So weight-wise, the Tourist is 1.8 ounces, Spartan is 2.1 ounces, and in grams, let's call that 52 grams versus 60 grams for the Spartan. So yeah, it doesn't seem like much difference, does it really, specs-wise? Just slightly smaller, but I really do like this 84mm format. It just carries well, really nicely in the pocket, just disappears till you need it. Yeah, but you can't get it anymore. You can still get the Spartan for way under 20 quid on anywhere online, really. Although I do think this is a brilliant basic knife, really good, really useful little tool set. I was never a massive fan purely because Sportsman. I've got several Sportsmans and often carry them as an EDC. One of my absolute favourites with the same basic tool set. Everything is the same on the Sportsman as it is on the Tourist, apart from on the Tourist you get the secondary small blade, but on the Sportsman you get the file tool, and I just find this file tool so much more useful than a secondary small blade on a little pocket knife like this. The file can be dead useful, makes an excellent ferro rod striker, and this little tip is great as a general pokey proddy tool, or works well on some really tiny little Phillips screws in that as well. So for that reason alone, I've always absolutely loved the Sportsman and carried it, like I say, a lot. I've got several of them and would always choose the Sportsman over the Tourist. So yeah, just wanted to have a quick look at this one, this pristine one. It's gone away in my not for use drawer, and it'll be passed down to my kids to sell or whatever as they see fit once I'm dead. What do you reckon? Any of you guys like the Tourist? I'd always choose the Sportsman myself, but this is still a lovely little knife and would make a great EDC tool. Thanks very much, chaps. I'll see you later.